I'm Cole with MFI. One of the things that we always try to work on is finding ways to make it easier for operators to get the barrels cleaned out without having to bend over. So I'm going to show you a new add-on or option that we've come up with. We call it our rinse screen. So basically this is just a stainless steel screen that's going to sit here while you can even close the door. It's actually, we made it so you can actually have it sitting here while the machine is running. But basically after a cycle, you know, after about an hour runtime, you got to get this water in here and the media all cleaned out. Instead of having to dump all that media out and recycle it down here to the bottom where the separator would go and have to lift it back up and do that bend, instead all the operator would have to do is take this rinse screen, put it over the top, it snaps on really easily. You jog the machine down to the bottom of the machine right above the separator. Then you can do a barrel rotate, and then you can even hose out this media here. So you're able to get all that media and water flowing out, clear it out, all the sludge and slurry that's created during the tumbling process, and then quickly bring it back up and get it taken off and ready for reload. So then you're ready to go, get more parts loaded in and get fired back up. So that's the rinse screen. If you have any questions, you feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. We can give you pricing and give you more information on it. But that's our new rinse screen.